In today's industrial world, energy consumption is spiraling out of control. Power surges, voltage fluctuations, equipment failures. Without real-time monitoring, businesses are losing thousands in wasted energy and unexpected downtime. How can you take control? Introducing enfo.ai, your intelligent energy monitoring solution. Powered by advanced AI analytics, Enfo transforms how you understand and control your energy consumption. Enfo's energy analyzers seamlessly integrate with your electrical infrastructure, from main grids to solar systems, generators, and battery storage. Installation is quick, non-invasive, and works with your existing setup. Enfo continuously monitors critical parameters: voltage, current, power factor, frequency, harmonics, and more. The moment an anomaly is detected, instant alerts reach you via email, push notifications, and SMS. Never miss a critical issue again. But Enfo goes beyond monitoring. Our AI-powered platform delivers deep analytics on every aspect of your energy usage. Identify inefficiencies, optimize power quality, predict maintenance needs, and unlock substantial cost savings. Transform raw data into actionable intelligence. Whether you're managing industrial facilities, commercial buildings, solar installations, or critical infrastructure, Enfo adapts to your needs. One platform, unlimited applications. With Enfo, you gain 3 powerful advantages. Detect issues instantly with intelligent alerts. Analyze energy patterns with AI-driven insights. Optimize operations and cut costs significantly. It's not just monitoring, it's energy intelligence. Take control of your energy future today. Visit enfo.ai to discover how intelligent monitoring can transform your operations. Enfo, unlock energy efficiency.